What's up, everybody? Reagan, what's your name?
Wiggy
What's your name?
Wiggy.
What's your name?
Wiggy.
That's right. And welcome to episode 3 of Ryan and Rae Make Ice Cream. And tonight, we are going to make something really fun. What are we going to make?
Ice cream.
More ice cream. Tonight, we are actually going to make a yellow cake and chocolate ice cream, if that's okay with you guys. Is that okay with you?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's okay with me too. So we're gonna have a lot of fun. We'll teach you how to do it. We're probably gonna make a big mess, but that is a-okay. Isn't that right, baby?
Yeah.
That's right. All
Make
right.
a mess.
We'll make a mess. That's right. Anything you want to tell our friends before we get started?
Yeah.
What's that? How about let's go?
Let's go.
So, as you can see, we've got our ingredients out. We've got our chocolate that we're gonna do some shavings with. We've got our yellow cake mix, which is gonna be super good. Sugar, cream, milk, all set. So here's the milk. We'll give it to Reagan. Let her do the honors. See what happens. All right, you wanna put it in? Oh, good job, baby. I'm so proud of you. All right, I'll take the heavy cream. Is that good? Looks pretty good. So we've got our sugar and we've got our yellow cake mix, and I'm gonna let Reagan put both of them in, huh? Maybe not at the same time. You wanna put the sugar? It's about half a cup of sugar. Oh, good job. Now we'll also do a half a cup of cake mix. You can use any kind of cake mix. I use yellow. Well, I'll use both, but they're all pretty good. Whoa, good job, baby. So now we'll take our mix and put it in our KitchenAid, if I can do this with one hand. Put that down. Get a mix in.
Ice cream.
Ice cream, that's right. Reagan already made a little bit of a mess. And we're gonna check it out. We'll see how it is. Reagan, you wanna do the honors? What do you think? Just going back in, so it must be pretty good. So now we've got our bowl. Reagan, you want to feel it? Whoa! How is it?
Good.
It's good. Is it cold? All right, pretty cold. You can see the frost on it, which means it's pretty good. And our mix is just about done. So our mix just finished. We'll take this out. You wanna try it? Is it good? Put that away. Reagan's gonna try it one more time. Looks like it's pretty good. All right. So now, let's take it and let's pour it in. Oh, not done yet, baby. Top on. You want to turn it on? Good job, baby. 25 on the clock. Alright, so now that we have this mix in, we got about 25 minutes. It's time to take the chocolate. What we'll do is we'll do some chocolate shavings, because yellow cake with chocolate frosting is really good. And we're gonna take some chocolate shavings and just shave it up, put them in the mix. Is that right? Whoop. If I can get it from Is that good? So now with about 6:45 left, it's getting pretty thick. We're gonna take the chocolate and split this over a little bit. We're gonna throw these in. That way they mix up a little bit right before it's done. looking pretty good. I think it is done. What do you think, baby? Ray's looking to get a little bit of ice cream. All right, do our official taste test. What? Before we go for another scoop, what do you think? Give it a review. No thanks. All right, well, I'd say it's pretty good. Is it good? Yeah. Okay. And there we have it. Yellow cake and chocolate ice cream. It looks so good. I want to try some right now. Well, I already did. It's pretty good. And I'm just gonna throw it in the freezer so it turns out to be hard ice cream. Reagan's gonna go for more. And otherwise, that's it. And there you have it, yellow cake and chocolate ice cream. It's super good. It tastes just like a birthday cake, my favorite kind of birthday cake. It's getting a little late. We're getting a little tired. Our hair's a little crazy. And it's time to go. I'm gonna put the recipe in the description, so check it out. Feel free to comment, tell all your friends about it. If you have any questions, including where to get this sweet shirt, Amish.com, shout out. And otherwise, we're good to go. We're gonna drink milk and watch Bob, huh? Does that sound good? What do we tell our friends? What do we tell our friends, baby?